I would like to introduce our first speaker, Professor Lawrence Carin, who is our provost. So Dr. Lawrence Carin is the provost of King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, so providing strategic and administrative leadership in all matters pertaining to faculty, students, and education programs. Before coming to KAUST, Dr. Carin was the Vice President for Research at Duke University, where he also held a number of distinguished positions, including Chair of the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department and Vice Provost for Research. Larry graduated from University of Maryland and is since then a world-class researcher in the area of AI and machine learning. So it's my pleasure to give him the floor so he can share with us his vision about KAUST.
Thank you very much, Jill. It's a pleasure to be here and to be with everybody today. So I just want to say a few things about KAUST. As Jill implied, I'm relatively new to KAUST, but there are several things that we're focusing on. So one of them is that we anticipate that over the next 2 or 3 years, that we will see substantial growth in our faculty, size of our faculty. The faculty continues to grow, but we are going to be doing some hiring in some strategic areas over the next 2 or 3 years. And so those areas of strategic focus for us at KAUST are what we're calling a climate and livability initiative, which is connected to a focus on circular carbon. Another major area of focus is in artificial intelligence, or AI, and the application of AI across many different fields of science and technology. Smart health, the development of technology that leverages information about human health, oftentimes outside of the clinic, that can be diagnostic of potential problems. So that's an example where things like AI and smart sensors come together with health to try to improve the human condition, the health of people. And then finally, we are placing a significant focus on cybersecurity. Again, cybersecurity is also related to AI. And so these areas of focus, climate, livability, AI, cybersecurity, and smart health, are all interconnected. These will not be the only areas that we hire in, but they will be areas of significant focus and emphasis. One of the big things that we continue to focus on at KAUST is the opportunity for KAUST to impact Saudi Arabia, the kingdom at large. And one of the areas that we do that, yes? So one of the areas where KAUST is making a significant impact throughout the kingdom is in material science. So material science is a significant area of thrust and also of excellence at KAUST. And it's an area in which KAUST continues to expand its leadership. And so in particular, this workshop is an example of the work that Professor Gilles Libineau has been doing for several years in bringing enhanced technology here in the form of composite materials to the kingdom at large. And so the new Saudi Society for Composite Materials, which we're celebrating the launch of today, is an example of that. So just to close, this workshop is incredibly important to KAUST, and the opportunity for KAUST to make an impact across the kingdom and then outside of the kingdom, across the world, is incredibly important. And the leadership that is being displayed here with composite materials is a really nice example of that. So again, it's a pleasure to virtually welcome you to KAUST. We hope to be able to welcome you here personally as COVID starts to move into the rear view mirror. But at least virtually, we hope that you have a wonderful workshop. This workshop is an example of what KAUST is trying to increasingly do, which is to use the research of science technology to have an impact within the kingdom and then across the world. So I think I'm gonna, hand it back to Gilles now.